This is Tahila Graphics. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to download and install custom fonts in Pixellab. How to download and install custom fonts in Pixellab. The first thing to do is to go to Play Store to download Z-Archiver. We go to Play Store and we type in Z-Archiver. That's Z-Archiver. I already have it in my system, so we go for the font site. We go to the font.com. Here we have the font site. So we choose from among the font families which font to download. We go for Gothic various. We download Evansing. We download Visaka. And we download Kingdom Hearts. So we have downloaded 3 fonts. We downloaded Kingdom Hearts. We downloaded Visaka. And we downloaded Evansing. Alright, having downloaded them, we now go to Z-Archiver. We open up Z-Archiver. We look for your download folder. We click on the download folder. That's it here. So we look for that Visaka here. We click on it and we extract. Then we click on device memory and we look for folders to drop it in. If you don't have a folder, you can create one from here. You click on plus and click on new folder. You create your new folder to drop your font in. So I go to my already created folder, my new font, and I drop it. That's Visaka. I go back to download folder. I look for Kingdom Heart. That's Kingdom Heart here. We extract. We go to device memory, go to my new phone and drop it. You click here to drop it. Then go back to my download folder again and look for event send. We click on it, we extract, we go to device memory, go to my new phone and we drop it. Alright. The next online is to go to Pixellab. We open up Pixellab and we go to the text icon. You click on it, go to font, go to my font, click on my font, then click on the first file icon. Then you look for search for the folder where you dropped the font. That's my new font. So that's Visaka here. You select it. That's event sent. You select it. And the last one is Kingdom Heart. We look for Kingdom Heart. Not here. We add the ones we've selected already. Okay. We now look for Kingdom Heart. From my new font, that's Kingdom Heart here. You select it and you add it. Alright, let's look at them now. Kingdom Heart. That's the Kingdom Heart here. Alright. We Visaka. That's Visaka. Then event sent. That's event sent here. We choose it and we say okay. That's event sent. We edit the font, the write-up. God is good. You see the font. So you go back to font, go to my font, Visaka, that's Visaka. I say okay, that's it. You go to edit, we did God is good. You go to font, event sent, my font, and you type in that's event sent. So that's it. So this is how to download and install custom fonts in Pixellab. Thank you for watching and God bless you.